Now I'm going to demonstrate printing the monotypes. So this is the watercolor painting on Mylar, allowed to dry. First I'm going to demonstrate what not to do. This is the scrap of Arches 88 paper that's completely dry. I'm going to put it over this half. And then this is way too wet. It was just soaking right in the water, and I'm going to put that over the other half and try and get as much of this image as possible on both of them. So you can see how that's still shiny. Now I'm going to print using a piece of kitchen parchment, the same that you would use for non-stick baking of cookies or something. And this is the Baron. This is how you hold the Baron. And I'm going to just press that pretty hard on there. And we'll see what happened with our wet side and our dry side. Here's what happened with our dry side. You can see where the water bled over, some of that transferred. And here's what happened with our too wet side. So here's the amount of bleed that you can see. Now I'm going to take a piece of paper that I believe is just right. And I'm going to print this side and compare to the side that bled. So there's almost nothing remaining here because that very wet paper took that off. But there's most of this is remaining here except a little bit that came off here. So this feels just right to me. So we'll see how that works. I'm going to use a dry part of my kitchen parchment. Slide my fingers under here. Oh, I've got an assistant to print it. Press nice and hard. Layman. Okay. Make sure you press in with the heel of your hand. The heel, yeah, like that. Okay, now let's see what that did. What do you predict?
I think it got it just right.
I think that's pretty good. And now this, since it wasn't as soaking wet as that, it didn't take up quite all of the color. So we can try and get a ghost print with another piece of paper. Get that remainder as like a secondary ghost print. So I'll lay the parchment over it again.
Hi, Raymond.
Okay, now
that's the assistant.
Press, wait. I'm going to correct your grip, so press really hard through the heel of your hand right here. Yep. You're going for this part of the paper where we know the color is. Nice and hard.
Could be done any second.
I think it could be done any second. Now let's see. Let's see if we got a ghost print here. All right, so there's the ghost print. So this was the first print. There's the ghost print.
Let's do another one.
We will in another video.